Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your payment history on Cox Online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your payment history on Cox. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Cox account. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on this right icon, then click on My Bill. Now, once you click on My Bill, you should see some options here. And what you want to click on next is View Transaction History. So click on View Transaction History. And then what you'll see here is all the payments that you've made within the past X amount of months or X amount of years. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your payment history on Cox. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.